As the darkest clouds descend on New York with a record 731 deaths in one day, there is a slim silver lining. The average number of recent hospitalizations for COVID-19 are leveling off, and the percentage of patients needing ventilators down slightly too. Could New York be reaching the peak of this crisis?
Right now we're projecting that we are reaching a plateau in the total number of hospitalizations, and you can see the growth and you see it starting to flatten. Again, this is a projection. It still depends on what we do, and what we do will affect those numbers.
The US President, meanwhile, setting his optimistic tone during a video conference with banks. They're providing cheap loans to small businesses that keep workers employed. There have been big problems with this federally funded program, and it will need more money. But the US President says the US economy will rebound like a rocket ship. At the daily coronavirus briefing, a more realistic tone.
We grieve alongside every family who has lost a precious loved one. New Yorkers are tough and strong and brave. New Jerseyites are tough and strong and brave, and they're being hit very hard right now. And for the next week, hopefully not much longer than that, it's going to start to go in the other direction.
The head of the Centers for Disease Control here in the US says he now thinks that the death toll in the US could be far lower than the up to 240,000 predicted just a week or so ago. But for that to happen, over 300 million Americans need to stay indoors for several more weeks. Nathan King, CGTN at the White House.